Hello everybody, Robin here, and I'm in the book garden once again. Today I've got my first children's book review on the channel, and it's this book is book 3 of the Alice Eclair Spy Extraordinaire series by Sarah Todd Taylor, and this is called A Sprinkling of Danger. And I really like this series. I've reviewed the first couple on Geek Dad, and I will be reviewing this one on Geek Dad too. I think they're really good books. Alice Eclair is a 12-year-old, I think, and it's set in France in the turn just before the Second World War, and she is also a mistress patissiere. She makes amazing cakes, and I love cakes. Who doesn't? And so that in itself is just brilliant. There's so many wonderful confections and concoctions of a cakey nature, which make me really enjoy reading the books. But not only that, the plotting of the books is great. There's some really fun characters, and it's set against the backdrop of World War II, or rather the impending coming of World War II, but Sarah Todd Taylor really handles it very well. I think the books are aimed for around 8-9-year-olds, and you could probably read them to children slightly younger. It would be very easy to make that kind of oncoming rush of fascism and descent into war be overwhelming, and it isn't at all. It's there, but it's not central. There's the menace is behind what's going on, but it's not too oppressive. And I really like that, because obviously, much like Alice's Meringues, the books are very light in tone. I do really enjoy these books. I think the first one is called A Spoonful of Spying. I'll flash up if that's wrong. I should have written it down before I started recording. If I didn't have children, I would probably sit and read these anyway. And if I wasn't going to review them, I'd probably sit and read these anyway, because the stories, obviously, they're quite light. They're not that complex, but they're really quite clever. And they do hold some surprises and some little reveals, and they're artfully constructed, like I say, much like a beautiful cake. And they're funny in places, and they're just really nice children's stories. I would thoroughly recommend them. So they are the Alice Eclair Spy Extraordinaire series, and I thoroughly recommend that you do check them out. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I will do more children's books. If you want to see more, please put in the comments below, because I'm not quite sure how to balance things out. I get sent quite a few children's books I do review on Geek Dad, and I can review them here, but I also like to review my more science fiction stuff as well. But let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again sometime in the book garden.